शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
Good morning. I am Giricha Nana, Assistant Teacher in K. Bhatia English Medium School, New Panvel. Students, today our subject is Geography, lesson number 2, Location and Extent. For geographical study of a particular region, nation, the location and extent has great importance. Location and extent affect the climate, population, distribution, occupation of a nation. Here, this lesson is about the comparative study of India and Brazil. If you study geography, the skills also required so that observation, classification, differentiation, comparison of graph, diagram, map reading, evaluation, analysis, drawing, conclusion, presentation and critical thinking. Here, this picture is globe and here in globe it is 360 degree and in the middle of the globe one imaginary line is going on, it is known as equator. And here that one imaginary lines vertical and horizontal also, longitude and latitude lines. Here northern hemisphere and here southern hemisphere, north pole and south pole, tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. And this is the world map. Where is India is situated? India is situated in the continent of Asia. And we can see the continents Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And oceans also, if you know, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. And only one nation is known as name of a nation. This is known as the Indian Ocean. It's the name of India. And here that number one is the Pacific Ocean and here is the comparative study of the India and Brazil. And Brazil also located here and India means here, India's picture is here and here the location is also from here Gujarat here and vertical is longitude and latitude. Here the south and Andaman Nicobar Islands, the southern tip of India is Indira Point and national capital of India is New Delhi and Brazil is Brasilia and type of government, federal, parliamentary, republic type of government because that federal means central government. Our state government is under the control of central government and parliamentary republican type of government means parliament where people select the representatives and then the prime minister is selected. And here also Brazil federal parliamentary presidential republic type of government. And population level, India is the second rank in the world. First one is China and Brazil has the fifth rank. And famous sports, cricket is the famous sports in India and football is the famous sports in Brazil. Famous agricultural goods, that is spices. India has valuable quantity of spices, cardamom, cinnamon, pepper, ginger, etc. And here Brazil is known as the coffee port of the world because the coffee is largest production in Brazil. And famous dance in India is Kathakali and here in Brazil Samba dance. And this one is the historical means location and extent. And location is that latitude and longitude. The location northern India is located in southern part of the Asian continent, so northern and eastern hemisphere. And Brazil also, some parts, northernmost means above the equator line, and most of them is under southern hemisphere and western hemisphere also. The latitudinal extent of India, mainland 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and Indira Point located in the Andaman Nicobar Island is a 6 degree 45 minutes latitude. And longitudinal extent means 68 degree 7 north minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. And Brazil also, the latitude extent is 5 degree 15 minute north latitude to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude, and longitude extent is 34 degree 45 minutes west longitude to 73 degree 48 minute longitude. And circles of the latitude, the Tropic of Cancer passes through the central part of India, and Tropic of Cancer passes through the Brazil. And here the equator, northern part in Brazil, and Tropic of Capricorn and southern part of the Brazil. And here the historical background of India means India was under the control of foreign rule, British rule means 1.5 century, means 150 years, and Brazil was under the Portuguese rule and nearly 300 years, means 3 centuries. India got independence in 15th August 1947 and Brazil 7 September 1822. But afterwards, some years the military rule was done in Brazil. Yes, historical background, India was under the British rule, and many problems in post-independence era also, 3 wars. India's situation was not good, famine also happened at time, and financial crisis in Brazil also. But India and Brazil is becoming global level also. Economic condition is very good nowadays. In India, young people are working than the older people, so India is known as the young country, and Brazil older people also working there. Their global level is also very good. India has the great relation between means through the foreign countries and neighboring countries of India. Next one is neighboring countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, Burma, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, etc. And here Brazil also, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guyana, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay, Bolivia, etc. And neighboring water bodies in India, Arabian Sea, West Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, and Brazil, North Atlantic and South Atlantic Ocean. This is the historical and location and extent of India and Brazil. And another, that's our flag, tricolor flag, India's flag, orange, white and green. It shows the prosperity and development of India. And another one, this means flag of Brasilia, is also here. Is also the another one is that emblem. The national emblem of India is here, that Ashok Stamp. It is a lion, 4 lions, but we can see 3 lions is here, and Ashok it adopted from lion capital Ashok at Sarnath. The emblem has 3 lions visible, but 4th lion is hidden from the view. And the 4 lions symbolize power, courage, confidence and pride. At the bottom of the horse and a bull, and is the center of a wheel. It is known as the Dharma Chakra, and forming the integral part of the emblem in its motto is inscribed there, Devanagari script, Satyameva Chede, means truth always triumph. And Brazil also, that emblem, the national emblem of Brazil is casted here. And coat arms shows the southern cross in a blue circle. The ring of the 27 stars around it represent Brazil's 26 states and federal district. The whole is placed on star and surrounded by the coffee at the left and tobacco at the right. It are the important crops in Brazil, tobacco and coffee. And the blue ribbon contains the official name of Brazil, Republican Federation of the Brazil, a Federative Republic of Brazil in the first line. In the second, the date of the Federative Republic by establishment means November 15, 1889 is written. This is the two means emblem and national flag is also here. So you can see that India and Brazil is the major developing countries and considered to be an important global market. Today, Brazil is also considered one of the contributing countries in economic growth of the world and major global future market. In economical condition, India means emphasized the 5-year plans to agricultural level and industrial level. Also, India is developing. So this is the location and extent of our India and Brazil. Thank you.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.